UV Grow can be used in conjunction with supplemental lighting. The great thing about having our technology into a polyethylene greenhouse cover is it's the same greenhouse cover as any other cover a grower might be using. If you're using lighting currently, then UV Grow will just enhance the sunlight. Usually when you're not using lighting, so maybe your lighting's off or it's during the day, that's when UV Grow is glowing the most. It's activated by sunlight.
There's also benefits from a performance perspective as well. You only have one sheet of plastic. You have less reflections, less loss of light in that way. The second generation product, UV Grow Cover, was born out of that. And we were able to actually put the quantum dots into the skin of the building. The nice thing about agriculture is there's a lot of different places we can apply this technology. Specifically, now that we have a product that can cover, no pun intended, the majority of plastic greenhouses, we still have rigid plastic greenhouses, so your polycarbonate and acrylic greenhouses that we continue to want to have a product that's available for them, as well as your high-tech glass greenhouses.
We launched UV Grow Cover. One of the unexpected benefits of that development was that we could drop the price quite a bit. The manufacturing method of the cover product is significantly simpler and lower cost. And so we pass that cost directly on to the customers in the form of a much lower price point. And I think that's been one of the reasons why UV Grow Cover has been so popular. So in terms of area demand, UV Grow Cover has probably order of magnitude more popularity, more demand that we've seen, which is pretty exciting for us because a lot of work went into that. And we were trying to really address what the grower was asking for from the first product.
You can replace your current poly cover for something that we currently provide as a poly cover as well, with our quantum dots embedded into the plastic for spectrum control. Has your standard anti-condensation, your 4-year life expectancy, and will overall be able to increase your crop with replacing something you already currently use. Your maintenance and everything else that comes with that is continued the same. But typically we see with our growers in the first year, they get their payback time, and with those increased yields and a 4-year life expectancy with our cover product, for instance, there's 3 more years of added yield and more money for the company overall in those 3 years left after the product is paid for.